Compliments of Three Pentacles PLLC. Ever wondered how professional property management can benefit you? Well, ponder no more, as we're here to shed some light. Imagine a world where the daily grind of property management doesn't rest on your shoulders. A world where you don't have to worry about late-night repair calls, tenant disputes, or the intricacies of property laws. That's the world professional property management can create for you. For all landlords in Cook County, Illinois, consider engaging Three Pentacles PLLC for professional property management. The first benefit of professional property management is time. Time is a commodity that you can't buy, and professional property management provides you the luxury to spend it on things that matter most. Instead of dealing with the nitty-gritty of managing properties, you can focus on growing your investment portfolio, or better yet, enjoying life's simple pleasures. Secondly, professional property management ensures high-quality tenants. With their rigorous screening process, a professional property manager can filter out potential problem tenants, ensuring that you have people in your property who pay on time, rent longer, put less wear and tear on the unit, and generally cause fewer issues. Thirdly, professional property management offers you the benefit of less stress. With a property manager, you no longer need to handle emergency repairs, chase down rent, or deal with difficult evictions. Instead, the property manager handles all these issues, leaving you with peace of mind and a stress-free life. The fourth benefit is a better tenant retention. Good tenant retention revolves around keeping tenants happy, and happy tenants are less likely to look for another place to live. Professional property managers know how to keep tenants satisfied and ensure they stick around for longer. The fifth and final benefit is a precise understanding of the law. Property laws can be complex and hard to navigate, but professional property managers are well versed in the latest landlord-tenant laws, helping you to avoid potential lawsuits. So the benefits of professional property management are clear: more time, high-quality tenants, less stress, better tenant retention, and a thorough understanding of property laws. It's a service that takes the weight off your shoulders and allows you to enjoy the fruits of your investment without the hassle. So why not consider it? Professional property management could be the key to unlocking more free time, less stress, and a more profitable property portfolio. Remember, the goal isn't to work harder, but to work smarter. Consider professional property management today. It might just change your life. By now, you may be considering professional property management, and we have the perfect solution for you. Three Pentacles PLLC. With years of industry experience, our expertise extends to managing a diverse portfolio of properties, ensuring we cater to each property's unique needs and challenges. Our proven track record speaks volumes about our commitment to tenant satisfaction and retention, a testament to our high-quality service. Furthermore, our comprehensive understanding of property laws and regulations ensures that we operate within the legal boundaries while maximizing your property's potential. With Three Pentacles PLLC, you're not just hiring a property manager, you're gaining a partner dedicated to the success of your property. So call Three Pentacles PLLC at 312-607-4646 and let us transform your property management experience.